In the next video, we play an animation. Then we enhance that animation. Then we create a brand new animation to show you some of the functionality of 3D via Composer. To play the existing animation, you need to go into animation mode. Click the icon in the upper left of the viewport. Notice the tools on your timeline pane at the bottom are now active. This is an interactive animation, so we're going to turn off design mode to show the interaction. In your timeline toolbar, make sure Loop Play is turned off so the video only plays once, and then click Play. Notice some parts are blinking. That's indicating that there is interaction waiting to happen. Click one of those blinking parts. The video continues showing more interaction. Let's click the springs. That's where the animation currently stops, but let's enhance the video. Turn on design mode so you can begin to make changes. In the Assembly tab, under Selection Sets, select the Body Selection Set and click Set Location key in the Timeline toolbar. This records the current position of those parts at the current time in the timeline. Now let's move our time bar over to 18 seconds. And we want to put those parts that are selected in their original location. So let's right-click those parts and choose Restore Neutral Position. Because Auto Keys is turned on in our timeline toolbar, a key is automatically recorded for us at 18 seconds, recording the neutral position of those selected parts. Next, we want to create an event that will move these clips back to their original location. So in the Assembly tab, select the Body Clip Selection Set. In the Properties pane, scroll down to see the Event Properties. Add a pulse property of 200 milliseconds to make the clips blink, so the user knows to click them. In the link box, click the ellipses. And for URL, choose Play from current position. This way, the video will continue to play once the clips are selected. Click OK. While still at 18 seconds on our timeline, let's record the current position of the clips by clicking Set Location key. Now we move the time bar to 19 seconds. Right-click the clips and Restore Neutral Position to put the clips back to their original position. Let's test out the video. Turn off design mode and click Play. Anytime a part blinks, click it to continue. Notice the clips are now blinking because of the event that we added earlier. Click one of the clips, and they move back into place, and the animation finishes. So that's how to enhance the interactive animation that we previously created. To demonstrate more animation functionality, we're going to clear the existing animation and create a new one from Views from our Views tab. To clear the existing keys, click Animate on the ribbon and delete all keys. Click OK to the warning. Notice the viewport shows many collaborative actors. That's okay. We're going to enhance our viewport in just a moment. Next, delete all the existing markers in the timeline pane. Right-click and choose Delete All Markers. Markers are annotations added to your timeline pane to indicate key events. Now let's build a new animation. On our Views tab, find the Wheels In view. Drag this view to the timeline pane and drop it at 0 seconds. The viewport takes on the appearance and properties of that view at the time you had selected. Let's add another view at 3 seconds. And one more view, the Wheels Remove view, at 6 seconds. Let's play that animation. From 0 to 3, it changes from one view to the next, and from 3 to 6, it changes to the final view. Let's add one more enhancement. Let's add some explode lines for one of the tires. We can select the wheel, and on our Author tab, under Path, choose Create Associative Path from Animation. This draws an explode line that is associative to how that part moves in the animation. Click Play to see the animation from the start. So as the wheel comes off, the explode line is drawn, indicating the path that it follows. That is a demonstration of the animation functions inside 3D Via Composer.